In this class, let us learn the electric field due to a uniformly charged spherical shell. Consider a positively charged spherical shell of radius capital R. The surface charge density sigma is defined as charge per unit area is equal to Q by 4 pi r square, where 4 pi r square is the surface area of the shell. So the charge on the surface of the shell is Q is equal to sigma into 4 pi r square. Let us find the electric field at a point P outside the shell. According to Gauss's theorem, the total flux through a closed surface is 1 by epsilon 0 times the charge enclosed by the surface. Consider a Gaussian surface, a spherical Gaussian surface of radius small r. The electric field due to the shell acts normal to the surface and radially outwards. The area vector of the Gaussian surface is also normal to the surface and outwards. So both the vectors E and A are parallel. So the total flux through the Gaussian surface phi is equal to E dot A is equal to EA is equal to E into 4 pi r square, where 4 pi r square is the surface area of Gaussian surface. So let us substitute the value of phi in equation 1. E into 4 pi r square is equal to Q by epsilon 0. So the electric field at P, E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q by r square. Let us substitute the value of Q. Q is equal to sigma into 4 pi capital R square. So you can cancel 4 pi and the electric field is equal to sigma capital R square by epsilon 0 small r square. And from equation 2, it is clear that the electric field at a point outside the shell is same as that due to a point charge kept at the center of the shell. And if the point is on the surface of the shell, the distance of the point r small r is equal to capital R. Then the electric field E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. Or according to equation 2, E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by r square, same as that of a point charge at the center of the shell. And now let us find the electric field at a point inside the shell. For that, let us consider a Gaussian surface of radius small r, which is less than capital R, a spherical Gaussian surface. The charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface is 0, as the charge rests on the surface of the shell. So according to Gauss's theorem, phi is equal to 0, as the charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface is 0, the total flux is 0. Flux is E into 4 pi r square is equal to 0. So electric field inside the shell is 0. So let us conclude. The electric field at a point outside the shell, that is if small r greater than capital R, the electric field is equal to sigma r square by epsilon 0 small r square, or the electric field is proportional to 1 by r square, where r is the distance of the point from the center of the shell. At a point on the surface of the shell, that is small r is equal to capital R, electric field is sigma by epsilon 0. it is constant. At a point inside the shell that is small r less than capital R, the electric field is 0. So let us draw the graph between E and R. For R less than capital R, the electric field is 0. And for R greater than capital R, the electric field is inversely proportional to R square. And on the surface, the electric field is maximum, sigma by epsilon 0. So we can say no electric field exists inside a metal cavity. This phenomenon is known as electrostatic shielding. Thank you.